Knowing the girls, the ladies, matapang talaga tayo pagdating sa lahat ng bagay.
Nanababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys para sa video na to. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we were invited by Viña House of Lasagna. So this is the place and actually that is our table. So ready na siya guys. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
Everyone, my name is Jenna Zaline Villanueva Lu and I am from Quezon Province. So ang restaurant namin name is Viña House of Lasagna and Coffee. And our specialties is, as you see, this is some of our foods here in Viña. Way back in Quezon, meron lang kaming maliit na karinderya and mostly lasagna talaga yung binibenta namin. So lasagna is one of our specialties. Si lasagna is made from meaty and savory and of course, cheesy lasagna. Pag natikman mo, kakaiba talaga yung lasa.
So ito yung kanilang pinagmamalaking lasagna. Actually, this one is a single order, but from the look of it, it's very shareable. Meron po silang paging dito na sa kataas ng cheese, stretch ng cheese. Napakagrabe ng cheese, napakasarap ng combination talaga ng lasagna. And I mean, yung pasta and sauce, and of course, yung cheese on top.
Since I am from Quezon Province, I would like to show to all the Kapampangan na meron din tayong pwedeng matikman na ibang variety ng foods, which is hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta pa all the way to Quezon Province. Ako na yung nagdala dito ng mga pagkain natin. So, ang isa dyan is ang pansit habhab, originated from Lokban, Quezon. So, you can eat like this. Even the famous actresses, actor like Kim Chu, yan. And then si Catherine Bernardo, yan. So, ganito siya, guys. Ito. So, dapat may tunog para masabi mong naghahabhab ka talaga.
Alright, so yun guys, finally, matitikman natin yung kanilang pansit habhab, isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nila. So, although House of Lasagna po yung pangalan niya, they actually specialize also sa mga native food, lalong-lalo na sa pinanggalingan nila sa Quezon Province. So, yun nga, titikman natin to. Are you ready? Let's go! So, actually, yung pansit nila, it comes with this special na suka. Ayan, lalagay natin siya on top. Ayan, first time natin itong matitikman. And, yung nga, nasabi ni Madam kanina, you don't need to go to Quezon Province just to, try these kinds of delicacies na talagang sikat naman sa lugar nila, di ba? Wow. Wow. Grabe. Solid, napaka-lakas or strong flavor ng kanilang suka. It gives parang very strong flavor actually.
And the next one is the famous breakfast from Tayabas, Quezon and Lokban, Quezon, which is the longganisa. Longganisang Lokban. I'm sure na magugustuhan ng mga Kapampangan is pansit chami. So chami is known for the Chami Festival in Lucena City naman, the capital town of Quezon Province. It's a pansit also, pero mataba, and lulutuin mo siya ng spicy, sweet, salty, with a crispy lechon sa ibabaw. Meron din tayong sausage, may spam, so that's all-time favorite, especially ng mga kabataan. And one of the specialty ni chef is from Italian cuisine, which is porchetta Toscan.
Para siyang lechon pork belly, para siyang gano'n. But this one is again, Italian version. Right, so ito yun. Tikman na natin. Grabe, sobrang lambot. That is so tender. Yung sauce pala niya, or yung parang yung pinaka sauce niya, I think it has a little bit of parang peanut. Very, very buttery yung ano niya. Yung taste niya. Not too sour, yeah. And not too, that strong yung flavor niya. Wow. Sobrang lambot, ang galing. They also have these oysters, mga big oysters. Then again, mayroon din pa rin silang mga cheese on top. This one is one of their bestseller. Ayan. This is a pistachio flavored drink naman. Tingnan nyo, that is so like messy and fancy. Pero that adds up to the experience, di ba? Cheers! So they also have other drinks, no? May mga like this very fancy juices, mga ganito. Or even yung mga refreshments na mga coffee base. Just chill for coffee. Even if you don't order yung mga heavy dishes nila, available pa rin yung mga simple na dishes or simple treats that you can enjoy dito sa lugar na to.
Alright, so habang naghihintay si guest, so may board game tayo, may chess, may let's get professional, may Jenga. So, you choose whatever you want to play. We also would like to help sa mga professional artists and painters ng Quezon Province and Pampanga na ma-exhibit yung mga mga works nila. And other paintings is made by childrens na nag-workshop every Sunday. Yes, so mommies out there, you can come here para at least madagdagan yung mga hobbies ng mga babies natin. I know guys that you are very excited to taste our specialties. For someone na hindi pa nakakatikim ng specialty ni Viña, expect nyo na po na magbibigay kami ng best services na hindi nyo makakalimutan. And of course, mga best dishes na hindi nyo makakalimutan ang lasa at babalik-balikan. Yeah, so ang business operation natin will start from Monday to Sunday. So Monday to Thursday, we are open starting 9 a.m. until 12 midnight. But Friday until Saturday, yan, all the way. Pwede kayo dito starting 9 a.m. until 2 a.m. And ang kagandahan pa nito, meron tayong live acoustic every Monday, Thursday, and Sunday.